Alright, so now that we've finished all of our parts, it's time to create our assembly and piece them all together. So you already have an assembly tab down the bottom. Select that tab and we're going to look to insert all of our components. So to do that, we need to select each one individually, and we're going to try and place them roughly in a position where you think they might end up going. So place all your pieces in. We're placing those just by selecting and dragging across. Make sure you get the orientation right, so think carefully about which end goes where. You can zoom in and out with your the scroll on your mouse if you need more space. Alright, and now that they're all in there, we can tick the green box. And we're going to start by selecting our base, and we need to fix it. So we select it, right click on it, and go to fix, and that will stop that part from moving. So that becomes our foundation point, or our sticking point for all our other pieces. We now have to go through a process of what's called using different types of mates to connect the different pieces to each other. There are lots of different types, but we're going to use the fastened mate for all of our connections. It's a nice easy way to connect all our parts. So select the fasten mate tool, and we're going to look for various points in our model that we would like to connect. So in this case, we can select those bottom corners. You can tick each one off. You'll see that the fasten mate remains selected, and we just want to find those points, those corners if you like, that will line up in our drawing, or in our model I should say. Now I'm just going to make a little error here to show you how to undo it. Now if I try and connect these 2 points here, we'll find that it won't connect properly because of the orientation of that end piece. So what I need to do is cancel that mate, right, and I need to select the part. Select the part, and using these rolling arrows we can drag the orientation of our part around, and we need to turn that 90 degrees. You can type into that 90-degree dialog box rather than dragging if you prefer, and we are going to have to do the same on the other end when the time comes. But for now we can fasten those 2 points, tick it off to say we're happy, and we now need to rotate the other end 90 degrees as well. So again, we select it and we can drag to 90 degrees or type into the dialog box, and then we can go ahead and do the fastened mate. Selecting a corner and its corresponding point, and they will line up. Give that a tick. Alright, the last bit to connect is our lid, so we need to find a point on the bottom of the lid, on those little strips that fit neatly inside the box. So we'll select the corner of one of those strips. You can rotate things around to get a better view, better access. So we're going to select that corner there. and find the corresponding point, which will be there. And our lid is now connected. We can tick that off, and that is now done. You can rotate your view just to check it out and make sure it's all okay. And we're finished.